Are you looking for the best cake pop makers in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best cake pop makers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. This is the best cake pop makers that will be worth your investments. This brand comes with fine features that will give you a worthwhile baking experience. With Disney Cake Pop Maker, you can bake up to 9 cake pops at a time. The design is compact to fit anywhere during storage, and the color is bright to illuminate your kitchen. Disney Cake Pop Maker can bake 9 cake pops in one batch. The plates are made with non-stick materials, which will prevent your cake pops from sticking to the pan when you want to bring them out for decorations. Also, when you want to wash the machine, you will find it very easy because the non-stick surface leaves no mess while baking. Another important thing is that this cake pop maker has non-skid feed made with rubber. This feature enables your cake pop maker to stand very firmly on the counter without shifting when in use. There is a card wrap which enables users to place the cake pop maker anywhere and still use it conveniently while in the kitchen without fear of mishaps. The power lights will help you to know when the machine is on. Number 4. Are you aware that some cake pop makers can be used for baking other things apart from cake pops? This brand from Brentwood is one of those versatile cake pop makers which you can use to make delicacies like cake pops, cinnamon buns, donut holes, etc. So if you pick this brand, you are getting more than just a cake pop maker. It will enable you to make 12 pieces of different delicacy each time you put it in the oven. This means that in a children's party, you can serve different things which you made in lesser time with just one kitchen equipment. While making these assorted foods, the non-stick coating of this specific brand enables you to bring out the baked food easily without experiencing stickiness on the pan. Also, this same feature will enable you to wash the cake pop maker very fast after the whole cooking. Also, this brand comes with an indicator light which shows when it is on and when it has preheated to the level which you want. There is also a long cord for your convenience. You can place the cake pop maker anywhere in your kitchen and still use it easily without fear of stripping. This cake pop maker is designed in many colors, and no matter how you decorate your kitchen, you can find the color that will suit it. Number 3. The Baby Cakes Cake Pop Maker brings the fun and delicious cake pops trend into your own kitchen. Bake 12 cake pops or donut holes in just minutes. Add sticks and a touch of creative decorating for perfect cake pops in no time. Bakes 12 cake pops or donut holes. Includes treat sticks, fork tool, cooling stand, non-stick baking plates. Power and ready lights 1300 watts. Number 2. This is a cake pop maker which you can applaud for ease of use and storage. Yes, the machine is designed to be simple and yet effective for your home baking when you feel like serving delicious desserts to your family members. It can be fixed and used anywhere in the kitchen, and you can also store it in tight spaces. Baby Cakes Mini can be used to bake 9 cake pops in one batch. It also has baking plates with non-stick coatings to reduce stickiness when you want to bring out the already baked cakes. After use, you can wash it in few seconds since the mess is minimal after use. When you have filled the holes with batter, the lid covers very tight and the latching handle makes baking very easy. With the 4 rubber feet, this cake pop maker can sit tight on the kitchen counter without skidding and also prevent the machine from leaving marks on the counter. There is also the power light which shows that the maker is turned on and also help to prevent burns when you are baking. The cord wrap promotes convenience, especially when you want to store the appliance after use. Number 1. This brand of cake pop maker is versatile and gives you the option to make either cake pops, cupcakes or donut. Baby Cakes Multi-Treat has 3 interchangeable plates which you can use for your baking. You can cook varieties of delicious treats for festive occasions or even birthdays. Having this kitchen appliance can expand your menu and keep your guests entertained. Baby Cakes Multi-Treat Baker gives you the option to make 12 cake pops, 7 cupcakes, and 7 donuts by using the baking plates that come with it. so you don't need to use one plate for 3 things. Let's say you want to make these 3 items for your kids' party. All you will do is to mix the batter for each of them. And as soon as you finish baking one, you pour the other one and start baking immediately. There is also a latching handle which ensures that the machine is locked very tightly to avoid accidents. This brand also comes with a rubber foot which prevents the device from skidding off the counter. It has a cord wrap which allows users to place it anywhere in their kitchen as they want. Users of Baby Cakes Multi-Treat Baker also have access to varieties of recipes for making many delicious cake pops, donuts or cupcakes. If you are just learning how to make these delicious treats or you want to add more recipes to your menu, you can enjoy the cookbook which is made available to you with your Baby Cakes Multi-Thread Baker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.